50%. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Yeah, that wind is slapping it around pretty good up there.
G-force 5.81. 50%. 25%. 50%.
Well, that's more smooth there.
Yeah.
150%.
Glide slope. Sink rate.
20%. Warning. 20 seconds. 0.
Get some crab on there for sure.
Reverse fault. Gear up. 0. 50%. 50%.
JD Flint.
Or you get the airplane out of the trees.
%. 50%. Gear up.
I know in safe it flies like you're flying. Okay. Mine does. It's locked on, but out of safe, it seems like every.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Play games with it. You know, I might not have AS3X properly initiated. Well, you know, mine came with the radio. I didn't use it. So I had mine set up to my NX7E. So I don't know that it's mine.
50%.
And I'll let you check it because you helped set it up after my fiasco. And it does fly good. Or put it this way, I'm used to its quirks.
Time remaining 2 minutes. 50%. 50%. 50%. 0. 25%. 50%. 50%. 9. 8. 7. 50%. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Timer expired. Land immediately. Land immediately. 50%. 0.
Oh, that was a little hard.
It's stuck to the ground.
Pacific. Out there? Yes, clear. The line clear. Into suspicious. Pacific.